Hi everyone! Today I'm showing you how to polish car headlights using a turtle wax polishing kit. Our headlights aren't too worn out, so we'll be using just step 1 and step 3 from the kit. Let's start with step 1, applying the lens clarifying compound. This compound helps clear up any minor haziness and prepares the lens for further steps. Ensure you apply the compound evenly over the entire headlight. Now that our headlight is treated with the clarifying compound, we move to step 3. It involves the lens base coat wipe. This step is crucial as it adds a protective layer to the lens, preventing future wear. Finally, we finish off with the lens sealing wipe. This seals the headlight and provides long-lasting clarity and protection. And there we have it, a simple yet effective way to polish your car headlights using the Turtle Wax Polishing Kit. Thanks for watching!